We out here today in Wilmington doing a job today, y'all. What's up everybody? Happy Monday. Beautiful L5P Duramax, but we're not doing that today. We're doing this. So we got here, I believe this is, he said it was a 94 or 96. So a special edition Silverado 1500. The Cheyenne or Cayenne, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but special edition with the skirts. Super nice truck. We're gonna be polishing these wheels today. Gonna be using, got the Zephyrs kit here. Gonna be hitting it with some aluminum cleaner, get this bad boy looking good. We'll be definitely having some before and afters. I think you guys are really gonna like how this comes out. Usually I don't show jobs like this just because I know you guys aren't as interested in this compared to diesel content, but I think it's good to be able to kind of bring a little light and show like, hey, this is how I fund things I want. You know what I'm saying? You don't make enough money where you work at, which is not what I'm saying. But at the same time, if you want something extra, you got to go out there and get it, okay? Polishing wheels, aluminum is just something I kind of picked up within the last year. It's worked out in my favor. I've been getting better every time I polish it. So with that being said, I got to get started because this is going to be about a hoping to be 4 if not 5 hour job. So I'll get back with y'all. And that's one right there. Cleaned up pretty good. Nothing, it's not gonna have that mirror shine to it just because, I mean, it's a certain type of aluminum. Every wheel is different, but from that to this, I think is a good, I just sprayed the acid on this one, and then this one over here, I did 3-step on it. I tell you what, it's pretty tricky getting it in there with the grooves and the way the wheel concaves and stuff. So all right, so just wrapped up the job. Wheels came out not bad, not bad. So as I continue to polish these wheels, I'm starting to think that these wheels are they're not polished aluminum. I think these are mag aluminums, which means they're not gonna have a shine bright like polished forged wheels, but they still look good though, you know. So this one came out really good. Wrapped the job up though, so we just went ahead, just got that done. Oh, let me get the camera out. Just got that done, you guys. So gonna wrap it up now, head back. So thank you for checking out the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Truly appreciate it, and let you guys know what you think about the video. Is this something you can see yourself doing in the future? You know, side hustle money, who knows? So you guys take care, be safe, and I'll see y'all next.